All right. So follow along, please. So it wants the length of both sides of the roof depicted below. So let's call this side of the roof X and this is Y. Okay, we're going to give that a letter. Normally we will do that, but if not, then you do it. And it breaks down, it gives you two angles. By the way, if you've got an angle there, guys, on a triangle, if you were to move that down, the angles stay the same. Okay? If you move this horizontal line down anywhere, the angles are gonna stay the same. So and it breaks down. If you think about it, these three chunks right here make up the whole base of that triangle, correct? So I'm gonna make my new triangle here. Okay, where I have the 38 here, the 65 there. This is going to be 15 plus 2.5 plus 1, right? I'm going to add these three chunks. What is that, 18.5? It's 18.5 feet. You put that in here. And now we've got a triangle we can actually work with. What you want to do here is find angles, right? Listen to this part, right? If you have two angles, please just go ahead and find a third one. It doesn't hurt. It's probably going to help you, right? So we're going to go 180 minus 38 minus 65. That is 77. Right? So that is key to unlock this problem. So you have to do a little bit of work to get the base. You have to do a little bit of work to get that other angle. Now we have a pair. Okay, we have the angle and the side across from it. We know both of them. Please remember that that is sine law. Okay? But sometimes students find pairs that are not there. They'll be like, hey, look at 38. It's like paired up with this one. It's like, no, they have to be opposite each other. Okay? So, sine of 77 over 18.5. Make sure you write this down so you have a good, solid example. Okay? This is X and this is Y for me. So if you want to find side X, you need to use this angle right here. So sine of 65 over X. Okay. Then you go cross multiply and divide, right? Cross multiply and divide. Some teachers don't like this. Okay? The shortcut. So if somebody asks you, who taught you that? Just say, I don't know, I just saw it on TikTok or something, right? Don't throw me under the bus, okay? I never taught you this. Okay, sine of 77. So then if you do that, you're going to get, I just want to make sure I get this right, 65 is across 17.21 feet. That is side X. So that's the one that is across the 65-degree angle. That's what matters here. If you called it something else, just make sure the one that's across 65 is this. You do the same thing again. Okay, use the pair. You already know. You know the pair. Now we're going to use the 38. Let me just bring this down. 38 is across Y. Okay. It always works in pairs, except for, in this case, this pair, you don't know the side across from 38. So you're going to find that out. Cross multiply and divide. Sine of 77. And Y is 11.69. Okay? You've got both sides, right, of the roof, and that is it. Okay? Write it down. I'll leave it there for a bit.